Hey, Jimpy with Cuffing Stuff. Man, have we got a good one for you today. Have you ever had smoked cube steak? You can make sandwiches with it, whatever. Smoke it low and slow. You will not believe the difference in the taste. Oh, it's so much better than frying. So we're gonna show you how to do it. So, hang tight. Okay, so what I've got here is a couple of pounds, maybe a little over that, of cube steak right off the grocery store shelf. All right, I'm gonna season it with, this is Uncle Steve's All-American SPG. I like the mixture Uncle Steve has done with this. So I'm gonna start with this. I'm gonna call this a medium coverage. Not really heavy, but I want to make sure I get it on there good. All right. Also, to go with that, this is Smoke Bomb, Uncle Steve's Smoke Bomb. That is good stuff. All right. I'm gonna get it on this side, and that again is about a medium coverage. Let's take, I'm gonna pat it down on it, flip this over, and we're gonna do the exact same thing to the other side. Here we go, the SPG, and the Smoke Bomb. All right, there we go. Look at that. Didn't take but a second. SPG and Smoke Bomb. All right, next, that's all I'm gonna do to it. I'm gonna go over to the smoker, I'm gonna put it on, and when I do, I'll bring you back. Okay, we got our smoker up to temp. Now I'm starting low. This is gonna be 220 degrees. I wanna go low and slow on these because I'm looking for tender cube steak. And there we go. All right, let's close them up. All right, at 220, I'm gonna let these go about 20 minutes, and that's when I'll bring you back. Okay, 30 minutes in, we let it go 30 minutes. All right, let's see where we are temperature-wise. Oh yeah, we're in the 130s, that's 140, 130, 38, 32. Oh yeah. Okay. All right. So half an hour in, let's turn these over. If you've never done cube steak this way, you need to try it. That smoke flavor, it's not fried. You cook it slow like this. Now, I'm probably gonna go into a little bit higher temperature than you would expect. Let's close it back up, let it smoke. Low and slow, that's what we're gonna do. All right, about 20, 30 more minutes, and we'll bring you back. All right, we've been another 20 minutes. That is a total time of about 50 minutes. And we're about 150, 155. Let's try it over here. Yep. All right. So it's time to take these off. So let's do that. We're gonna pull all of these off. Don't they look pretty? Oh my goodness. And I tell you, with these pellet smokers, it's just hard to beat. The ease and convenience. Okay, there we go. We're gonna turn the smoker off. I'm gonna take them over to the table and we're gonna bring it right back. Okay, well, here we are. Let's take a piece and cut it right up the middle and see what we have. Look at that. Oh my goodness. It's temped out perfect. It's just as tender. Let's cut a piece out of this. Look at that. Look at there. My goodness. I'm going in. Just as tender. Let's see. Can I get this in here? Let me show you. Look at that. I just pulled that bite off. I didn't have to cut it. Tender, juicy, that Uncle Steve shake. Delicious. I'm telling you. You can't do better cube steak than that. Hey, thanks for sticking around, seeing how this turned out. I appreciate it. If you haven't already, hey, see this circle right here? Tap on it. Subscribe. Boop. Hit that little thumbs up. Give me a like if you like the video. I'll have another video just for you right here. Until next time, hey, hang tight and be good to one another. Hang tight.